So, good evening. Before we officially start the interview, I would like to briefly explain that the purpose of this activity is to explore and understand the role of technical writing across a variety of professions. Through this activity, we will gain insight into how strong writing skills can serve as a valuable asset that can enhance communication and can contribute to success in almost any professional field out there. So we have Miss Hannah here, the interviewee who will introduce herself.
Good evening. My name is Hannah Patricia Iguong. I'm accounting staff at Cargo Bayan Incorporation, and currently I'm um 6 months as a probationary, uh, and also not only as accounting staff but also assigned to the billing and collection.
So thank you for that, Miss Hannah. So for the first question, what is your experience in writing business communication or technical papers?
So I have extensive experience in writing business communication, particularly in my role as an accounting staff at Cargo Bayan. This includes preparing billing.
With your experience in writing business communication or technical papers, what are your strengths when it comes to writing those types of documents?
So I have extensive experience in writing business communication, particularly in my role as an accounting staff at Cargo Bayan. So this includes preparing billing and collection notices and other financial documents that need to be communicated to the clients and internal internal stakeholders. So I ensure that the information is clear, accurate, and professional. As the nature of my role requires precision in the financial data shared, and also I have created technical documents that outlines the processes and procedures for billing and collection and ensuring the compliance and clarity for the all involved parties.
Thanks for sharing that, Miss Hannah. With that being said, are there any aspects of writing business communications or technical papers that you find challenging? Or in other words, what are your weaknesses in writing business communication or technical papers?
So for streamlining complex technical language. While I strive for clarity, some of the language used in accounting can sometimes be difficult for non-financial individuals. Also, to understand and for the communication with the other clients, since um, there are also different process on the billing and collection, so that I am taking step to work on this by participating in workshops and seeking feedback from the colleagues to make my writing even more accessible without sacrificing accuracy.
Thank you for your answer. It's always good to hear experiences from professionals like you. It is very helpful and comforting for me as a student that there's always going to be a room for improvement and there's no such thing as immediate perfection. In line with this, what is the value of business communication and technical writing in your profession?
So in my profession, as accounting staff and in the accounting field, especially in billing and collections, effective communication is the key to ensuring accurate and timely payments. Also to have a clear business communication allows for smooth transactions and helps to build trust with clients. On the technical side, well-written reports, invoices, and collection letters are critical to ensuring compliance, reducing errors, and maintaining professional relationships with the clients. The clarity in these documents ultimately contributes to the efficiency of financial operation and the success of the business.
And that's it for the last question of in this interview. Once again, thank you, Miss Hannah, for agreeing to do this with me. Please know that the knowledge and experiences you've shared with us will be put into good use. Thank you po.
Thank you.
To Ms. Hannah, clarity is the most important principle to uphold when writing these types of documents. Being clear ensures that the recipient can fully understand the intended meaning of your message. It's essential to communicate concisely and accurately in order to build trust and establish yourself as not only a reliable professional but also a dependable individual.